pattern is going to be a shoulder tuck with an outside underarm spin. That means we're going a little bit faster than the underarm turn, okay? And it's for the ladies, the followers, okay? So we're going to go right into it. From this angle, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Notice that we went into a little tight halo circular action. I'm not cranking, she's spinning. I'm just following at that point. And we end up upside down, so we have patterns for that later on. Here we go, from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Good. You notice, guys, I don't get out of the track. I'm right there in front of her. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Now away from the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. And remember, guys, girls, ladies, gentlemen, remember your footwork exactly does not have to be exact. Keeping your rhythm and positioning and lead follow is the important thing here, okay? So for more information on what that means for you, go to your private lesson style videos and it'll tell you a lot more in depth what that means as far as do I need to be precise and perfect? No, you don't, okay? Go have fun, enjoy, have fun and breathe, and come on back for your next pattern.